I'm making this video to show you how to log in with different Gmail account in Chrome, because many of the people facing the problem while logging with different Gmail account. So here we start. First we will see what mistake people makes while logging to different Gmail on Chrome. So first we press on this Gmail icon and we select the Gmail account, and then we select our different Gmail account that we want to log in. But it will show some like this. If we scan also, it will not log in with different Gmail account. So I will go back and show you actually how to log in with different Gmail account in Chrome. So first we have to press on the Gmail icon, then we have to press on sign in option, which is available over here, and then to sign out from this Gmail account which we are using. After signing out, then we have to go back to our home page, and in home page there is option which is showing choose another account. But if this option is not showing to you, you have to press on this setting icon which is available over here and turn on this. If it is turned off, that will show you this option to choose another account. So we have to press on choose another account, and once we press, then we can select our different Gmail account that we want to log in. So I will select that I want to log in with Gmail account, and as I am in, we have to do. So I will choose a keep the data separate and continue. So I'm successfully logging with different Gmail account that you can see over here. You can see over here my logo of Gmail account change. So I have successfully changed my Gmail account in Chrome. Thanks for watching. I hope this small information help you to solve out your problem, and thank you for watching this video.